Hey, what's up guys, it's TNT Games, and as you guys saw from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a video on how to get free sweat coins without doing anything. And I'm making an updated version for 2021 because the last version that I made is a little bit outdated. And as you can see on screen, I'm showing you guys all the followers I have on Sweatcoin, and all these people follow the rules on how to get the free sweat coins. So actually, I'm going to explain it to you guys really quick. So basically, as I invite people to Sweatcoin, I get 5 free sweat coins, and then what I do is I send those sweat coins out to my followers, including the ones I get from just walk-in and stuff. So as you can see, to one of my followers, I'm sending him 25 daily sweat coins, and that's what I give every day, is 25 daily sweat coins to every one of my followers. And sometimes I give a couple more to some certain people who are big supporters of me. So as you can see, I'm giving it right here to this person. Shout out to TNT. He actually made his name about me, so shout out to him. And then I think I give 50 to this person or something like that. So just so I'm going to explain the rules to you guys. As I said, Sweatcoin gives me 5 sweat coins for each person I invite. So basically, I take those 5 sweat coins, then I give them back to my fans, basically. So all you're gonna need to do is use the link in the description, as well as the link I'll put on screen as well. And what you're gonna do is use that link, and on the screen I'm gonna show you how to do it. So use the link, and then it'll take you to the App Store, and you just download the app right there, and then I get sent the 5 sweat coins once you create an account. And then what I'll do is you just you're not going to DM me. The notification will just come up on my phone that you started following me. As you can see, the link is shown on screen right there. You're going to just see the link, and then you're going to use the link in the description below, and it's going to take you to the Sweatcoin app. And then I'm going to get a notification that you're started to follow me and use my invite code. So then what I'll do right after that, also follow me on TNT Games on there. So once I see you follow me on there, I'll send you your 25 daily sweat coins. You're going to get that every day. Sometimes I might forget, so you might want to DM me on there, or there's not a DM option, but you can send me like 0.01 sweat coin, and then I can respond to you, make sure you get your sweat coins. As you can see, I have quite a bit of sweat coins, but I'm running out, so make sure you guys do follow me.